fellow learners. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video today we will be learning rational and irrational numbers, or if I say combined real numbers. मतलब हम लोग real numbers अगर हम लोग briefly में मैं अगर बोलूँ, if I tell in briefly, then it will be the numbers which can be represented on the number line. We say that those are real numbers. So real numbers अब किस तरह के होते हैं, what are the different types, that we will see in the video. Okay, so let us move on. So see, over here we all have studied something about integers, natural numbers, whole numbers. So all these combined, which can be represented, the different types which I am telling, all these students are the real numbers. So now the next is, if I say rational numbers. So rational numbers are those numbers, you know, which can be represented in the form of p by q. So it is in the form of p by q and you represent them. So like -8, 0, 6, 5 by 4, 1 by 2, all those are rational numbers. So if I write, it can be 5 by 4, half. Integers are like -4, 2, 4. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3. Whole numbers starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, and it goes on. So rational numbers. Now one more type which you all will be learning in this video, which is irrational numbers, and we will also try to draw something on irrational numbers. So what are real numbers? So that's why it's a small so in this video we will learn what are real numbers, and then we will learn how to draw irrational numbers on the number lines also. Okay, so let us move on and let's see. So irrational numbers are the numbers which are generally in the root form, like root 5, root -3, root 2. Okay, so now if I say I can represent 1 over here, if I will have 1.5, it will lie somewhere over here, it will be 1.5. 2 is over here. But now if I say I want to represent root 2, root 2 value is something 1.4414. so that is the value of root 2 which we can represent. So root 2 is somewhere over here, which is 1.414, and it goes on. So this is a number which we try to represent. So all these numbers can be represented on the number line. So they can be represented on number line. So in brief, again, the numbers which we can represent on the number line, the way I have explained, can be said they are real numbers. So if I say in combined, what it is, that rational numbers plus irrational numbers is equals to real numbers. So rational plus irrational is your real numbers. Now we will be learning something called terminating decimals. So with examples I will be telling you what is terminating, what is non-terminating, or that. Suppose I take an example 1 by a. So if I represent this on the number line, it is, the value will come to 0.25. Now this, whether this is your terminating or non-terminating, that we will be seeing. So this is called 0.125. It has stopped a place, so that is why I would be naming it as terminating डेसिमल्स. सो टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल्स हम लोग का क्या हुआ, जो डेसिमल्स जो स्टॉप हो जाता है, जो हम लोग सपोज अगर हाफ लेते हैं 1/2 लेते हैं तो वो एक जगह स्टॉप हो गया. अगर हम लोग 2/8 लिए दैट इज 1/4, अगर उसको लेंगे तो वो 0.25 होता है. तो जो डेसिमल्स स्टॉप हो जाते हैं और उसके आगे कुछ नहीं बढ़ता है उसे हम लोग टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल्स बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट है हम लोग का सपोज एग्जाम्पल है 3/7. अगर 3/7 को हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं तो आता है कुछ 0.4285 एंड वो जाता जाता है. तो ये what it will be, so this one it goes on but ये it is not repeating, मतलब the numbers are different at each decimal points, so that is why it is called non terminating. So these are called non terminating decimals. So हमने अभी तक क्या पढ़ा, terminating, नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. सो 1/8 जो हम लोग का है वो गया टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल, 3/7 हो गया नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. सो अब हम लोग का नेक्स्ट क्या है, नेक्स्ट वी विल सी समथिंग कॉल्ड, लेट अस टेक एग्जांपल 13/44. 13/44 का वैल्यू होता है 0.29545454 और ये जाते जाते हैं. तो इस टाइप का डेसिमल्स देख रहे हो कि वो एंड भी नहीं हो रहा है और उसका कुछ डिजिट्स जैसे जो है ये 5/4 वो रिपीट हो रहा है. सो इस टाइप का डेसिमल्स को हम लोग बोलते हैं रेकरिंग नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग. सो रेकरिंग नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग मतलब कि आपका हम लोग का कुछ डिजिट्स इज रिपीटिंग बट एंड द डेसिमल पॉइंट इज नॉट स्टॉपिंग, इट विल गो ऑन. सो आई वुड बी गिविंग यू सम नंबर्स लाइक 17/50, 7/8 and 23/72. So now you can tell me which is terminating, which is non-terminating and which is non-terminating recurring. And how can you tell me? You can tell me by using the comment box in the video. So and with that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So just keep liking this video and from so and I have started with the live classes, students, so do join that. It will be very much helpful for you and it's totally free. So it's on YouTube, so YouTube live classes you can join. For that, how will you get to know about the classes? That is the question. Then you have to just join, use the description link which is a Telegram link which is given in the description box. And to support my cause of providing education to everyone, you can contribute something of your own wish. So you can send it me through Paytm or Google Pay. So you can use that medium and contribute to the cause, where yes, we can have more helpful, more subjects, more teachers will be teaching you. That would be totally with the cause. There will be nothing of different. So just join this channel, it will be very helpful. Thank you and keep liking and never stop learning. So yes, do subscribe and yes, do watch Learner's Curve.